A lot of floor mops look effective online, but many of them just push dirt around instead of actually cleaning. I reviewed top-rated hard floor mops on Amazon, comparing customer feedback, recurring complaints, durability issues, and overall satisfaction. In this video, you'll see which mops truly work, which ones aren't worth the money, and what features actually matter. You can find Amazon links to all the mops mentioned in the description below. At number 5, we have the Mr.Siga Professional Microfiber Mop, a simple, budget-friendly choice for light to moderate home cleaning. It weighs just 2.82 pounds, making it easy to carry and maneuver. The build features durable plastic with a stainless steel telescopic handle, and it includes 3 reusable microfiber pads plus 1 scrubber for added value. The 360-degree swivel head helps you clean around furniture, and the 15 by 5-inch wide mop head covers floors quickly. The double-lock adjustable handle reduces bending. It's best for apartments and smaller homes. Users like the washable pads and lightweight feel, though some mention handle durability concerns and occasional pad slipping. For latest prices, check links in the description. Number 4 is the Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert, a good option if you want powered scrubbing instead of a manual mop. It runs on electric power and weighs 13.95 pounds, giving it a sturdy feel. The dual rotating pads deliver machine-powered cleaning to lift dried spill. It's safe for sealed wood, tile, and linoleum, and the on-demand spray lets you control solution use. Noise is around 70 decibels. You also get 6 washable pads and 3 travel size formulas, which adds value. It's best for homeowners who want easier deep cleaning. Users like the smooth glide and solid cleaning power. Some report occasional streaking. See the description for the latest pricing details. Number 3 is the Dream H12 Pro, a wet-dry vacuum mop that vacuums and mops at the same time. It runs on 1,400 watts and weighs 10.6 pounds. The edge-to-edge dual brush cleans corners and along baseboards, while smart sensors adjust suction to match messes, and noise level is 68 decibels. It also has auto self-cleaning with hot air drying in about an hour, saving effort. The 6 by 4,000 mAh battery provides up to 35 minutes of runtime, and the 900 milliliters water tank cleans large areas without refilling. This model is best for homes with wet and dry messes. Users praise the cleaning power and self-cleaning feature, though some report durability issues. Check the description for the latest pricing. Number 2 is the Gatley Steam Mop Cleaner, a versatile 6-in-1 steamer. It heats water to high temperatures and produces steam in just 15 seconds. The mop is lightweight and weighs 6.3 pounds, with a 23-foot power cord and a swivel head that rotates 180 degrees horizontally and 135 degrees vertically. The 3-section detachable aluminum tube adjusts to different heights. Its 400 milliliters removable water tank provides 10 to 25 minutes of continuous steam and is leak-proof. This mop also includes multiple attachments for windows, grills, and stoves, and comes with a 12-month warranty. It's best for homes needing a lightweight, multi-purpose steam cleaner. Check the description for the latest pricing. Number 1 is the Shark Steam and Scrub Mop, an all-in-one cleaner that scrubs and sanitizes sealed hard floors. It weighs just 6.9 pounds. The mop runs on 1120 watts and features 3 steam modes, LED headlights, and rotating pads that deliver over 150 scrubs per minute. Its XL water tank and swivel steering make cleaning easier, while the 19-foot power cord ensures wide reach. For dirt grip, soft scrub pads are included and washable. Users praise the steam quality, maneuverability, and value, though a few note occasional streaking. Compared to others, it's the best overall choice for effortless scrubbing. To check the latest prices, head to the links in the description. Before we wrap up, here are the biggest mistakes people make when choosing a mop for hard floors. Thinking that heavier or more expensive always means better cleaning. A smart design and quality mop pads matter more. Overlooking whether the mop size and coverage match your rooms. Too small and you'll spend forever cleaning. Forgetting to check how easy it is to rinse, dry, or replace pads. Hassle-free maintenance keeps you using it. Avoid these and you'll pick the right mop. Want an easier way to keep your floors spotless? Check out this video on the best robot vacuum. Take care.